Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
In this video, I will teach you how to create this animation using only Canva. Create a new design, or directly click on any format from the home screen. While making animation, remember to use video format. I have already uploaded my photos in Canva. I will use my uploaded photos. You can also upload your images, simple dragging into Canva. First, change our background. For that, click on this color wheel icon. Then use gradient color. Here is pro tip to change layout of the gradient. By clicking on this color wheel, you can now change the layout of color. Not only that, but you can swap the color as well. Let me make some adjustment. Click on this plus icon to add another page. Like we did last time, let's change its color to gradient green and change position on the gradient. Now let's create another page for Fonta. Click on plus icon, then go to color picker. Then use gradient orange. And just follow what we did previously and change gradient position. Since we are making for fauna, let's create orange background. Nice, our backgrounds are ready. Now let's design our main page. Click on add page and bring to the front. To avoid confusion, I will color this to white. Now press R on keyboard to bring rectangle shape, or go to elements and search for rectangle. Place it to the edge and drag it so it fills one side of the page. Let's change color to gradient red. Duplicate it by clicking on duplicate icon and bring it to the other side. Let's change color to gradient green. Again, duplicate and change it to gradient orange. Let me make some quick adjustment. Finally, now it's time to put our elements and start animating. I will use the uploaded images and adjust its position. Do same for other two as well. You might have noticed size difference. Here is how to make it correct. Go to Files, then go to Show Rulers and Guides. Click on it. Now drag a line to correct its position. Again, drag another line at the bottom. Now, bring the image to another page. Just copy and paste the image. Now add some design. To do that, go to Elements. Search for Splash. For this example, I will use any of the elements. Once you are satisfied with the elements, make this element small and behind our main object. I will tell you why we are doing this. Now right-click and Layers and select Show Layers. And bring your main object in front so that it hides all small elements. Click on 3-dot and duplicate page. And again, right-click and go to Layers. This time, bring the hidden elements front and resize them so that it looks like it's splashing out. I will bend this so it looks cool. Go to the first page and reduce its timing by dragging the edge. Or you can also manually change the timing of all the pages. Let's repeat the same process for this page as well. Starting by copying the main image to this page. Adjust its position. Go to Elements. Search for complementary elements that match with your design. Adjust its position. Bring it backward. Right-click, go to Layers, Show Layers. And bring your main image front. Duplicate the page. My layer tab is still on, so I will bring the side element front. Please don't get confused in this step, as I am working on the layer which we have duplicated just now. Making some final adjustment. We will follow same process for our final page, as well, starting from copy and pasting the image. Adjust its position. Go to Elements. Search for complementary elements that match with your design. Adjust its position. Bring it backward. Right-click, go to Layers, Show Layers, and bring your main image front. Duplicate the page. My layer tab is still on, so I will bring the side element front. Please don't get confused in this step, as I am working on the layer which we have duplicated just now. Listen carefully. If you miss this step, your animation will not work. You need to put transition in between your pages, and to do that you need to press this icon. Among various animations, select Match and Move. This is by far one of the most versatile features in Canva. For next page, use Color Wipe Animation. Remember, if you are transition same image, then use Match and Move, and if you are transition from another, then use another transition type such as Circle Wipe. Same image, use Match and Move. And click on play icon, and should look something like this. Many creators will leave you here, but I will teach you one more step which will get your design one step further. Let's put a text. And choose a font. Make them capital. Adjust its position and change its color. Send it backward by right-click and Layers, Show Layers. If you want, you can adjust its spacing as well. Reduce its transparency. Duplicate the text and bring it one step down. Again, duplicate the text. Right-click, Layers, Show Layers, and bring all these texts back of the main image. Now go to Effects. Select Hollow Effect. Adjust its timing. Again, duplicate the page. Now on the next page, revert back effect to none. And on the second text, use Hello Effect. Again, duplicate the page. Follow same step of reverting effect to none, then Hello. Now again, use transition in between pages. Use Match and Move. Use the same transition for this page as well. And for the final page, again use Match and Move. And finally, play the video. One last step. If you are doing this for your client, then always add brand name and logo. Simply make a new page and add a text. And add your client's logo. And at last, add one transition. And will look something like this.